Hi guys, in this video we're learning how to set quick tap to turning on flashlight. Quick tap, that means back tap or double tap from backside. It is in Apple phones called back tap. Okay, so how to do that in Google Pixel? You can see here I'm back tapping, that is nothing happened. So because of that function is turned off. So how to turn on this feature in Google Pixel 7a? So simply open your menu. Okay, then go to settings application, then go to system. From the bottom of the page, open system. After that, open gestures. You can see here gestures. Okay, simply click on gestures. Then the first option is quick tap to start actions. Click on that. Then you can see here it is turned off, and there is animation how to turn on. Simply double tap. So the first option is take screenshot. Normally it is selected as screenshot, so change it to that toggle flashlight. So simply click on that toggle flashlight. So we are saying that whenever we back tapping, it is will be on flashlight turn on. And you can also click here require stronger taps. And I use this feature, but it's not as smooth as in iPhones. So in iPhones, simply tap, that will be work that very smoothly. But in Pixel phones, in Pixel 7a, it is, you can see, not working, not working, not working. Once again I try, it is working. So I don't know, it is working. There is a little lag in working, but in iPhones it is very smoothly work. So I'm also using this back tap feature in my Galaxy S25 Ultra. There is also the same problems, and whenever I put my S25 Ultra somewhere in a table, it will be automatically take screenshots. So there is no much accurate functions in Android mobiles compared to iPhones. iPhones have better measurements for no backtapping is happening or not. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.